Classical cryptography, in times of war. Enigma. Setting sheet and rotor settings. For the correct use of the Enigma, a setting sheet was needed. On this sheet, the settings for the respective day of the month were shown. The days were ordered in descending order such that past days could simply be cut off. Moreover, the settings of the rotors, and the rings, which we will discuss later, were shown. Also the plugboard settings were written down. Sometimes further information such as the type of reflector were noted. Since this information is not cryptographically relevant, we ignore them in the following. The picture on the right nicely shows the numbering of the rotors, which were inserted from left to right. In total, 3 out of 5 rotors could be picked. On the left picture, we see that the ring of the middle rotor is set on 1, which can be seen by the little red triangle. The rings contained notches for the transfer to the next rotor. This means, one could use them to determine when the rotor on the left should turn. The 3 rotors of the Enigma turned independently, but a left rotor did not turn before its right rotor had made a complete rotation. Note that on the left of the left image, you can see that reflector B is used. This reflector model was used the longest, and was the most popular model during the war. In this picture, you can see the single elements of a rotor. If you want to learn more about the cryptography and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.